this machine we launched last year. Actually, it's a small compact turn center for small size of components, and we can machine number of operations at a time, so you will get the more accuracy in a single setup. By default, you can do drilling, taping operations, slotting and milling operations also you can do here. You can make hexagonal.
These are terminal center, so is it good for an aerospace application?
Yes, sir. Of course, for aerospace component also it is good. High torque, there is a bigger size of machines are also there. It depends on the application. If the component size is small, then we can use this machine. Otherwise, for especially like aerospace, you are telling the titanium or other materials there where torque is more required, then some bigger size of machine will be required.
For the live toolings, what is the minimum torque available here?
Here power is 2.5 kilowatt in a live. So that's why I am telling it's basically this machine is recommended for a small part only.
And RPM?
RPM is 4000 RPM is there. 5.5, 7.5 kilowatt power is there. Main spindle power is there.
Okay.